Hello friends, you're welcome. We're still on networking. So today's topic is network topology. Network topology. Now friends, it's not a hard word. Like for example, we have this same word in psychology, that is the word logy, and we have the word in biology. So it means it's a common word. So it's just whenever you hear anything they attach logy with, is a word that derives from a Greek word which means logos, and the meaning is study, that is the study of something. So topology, network topology, is what we want to consider this morning. So let me quickly walk you through what we are going to look at under this topic. So we have 3 learning objectives. The first, we are to define network topology. Then the second one, we are to mention types of network topology. And 3, we are to state things to consider when choosing a topology. Now, as I've said, topology is not a hard word. So let's look at what network topology is. You know, I've said topology is the study of something. So let's start. So what is network topology? We can say network topology refers to the arrangement of cables, computers, and other peripherals on the network. Now, what do we mean by this? For example, if I ask you, how did you arrange your room? You can easily tell me that this is where I put my chair, this is where the bed is, this is where television is, this is where table is. And that's the same way when we want to arrange computers in the laboratory. So that is why we have the definition as the arrangement of cables, computers, and other peripherals on the network. So anytime you go to maybe a lab, computer lab, or cyber cafe, and you see the way they arrange a computer, or computers rather, it means that they follow a pattern. And that pattern, that way, that method they use to arrange it so that it will not lose scatter, is what we are considering this morning. And that is what we call network topology. So if I were you, I will quickly say the definition again so that I can grab the scope. So let's say it once more. Network topology refers to the arrangement of cables, computers, and other peripherals on the network. So now friends, let's look at the types of network topology. What are the types of network topology? We have 3 major types. We have the star topology, the bus topology, and the ring topology. Can I mention that again? Star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. Now friends, let's look at the way they are and what each. Why did we call one star? Why did we call one ring? Why did we call one bus? Does it look like normal star? Does the arrangement look like a ring? Alright friends, let's quickly check that. Now, this picture you are looking at is a star topology, and I believe you can see about 3 computers, and there's another computer close to the printer that is called the server. So if you see any computer arranged in this way, and what you are seeing at the center is a network hardware called switch or hub. So it means network topology is a type of network topology where all computers are connected in a star shape. And as you can see, this is a good diagram because star is showing at the background. So it means a star topology is a topology where all computers are arranged in a star shape. Alright, I believe you get that. Alright, let's look at another one, which is called bus topology. Bus topology can also be called linear topology. Alright, so what do we mean by bus topology? Bus topology is a type of network topology where all computers are connected with a single cable. And as you can see, look at where here we have about 4 computers or 5, and they are all connected with a single cable. So that is why we call it bus topology. It's a straight line arrangement of computers in the lab. So that's why we call it bus topology. Now, another one we are going to look at today is ring topology. What do we mean by ring topology? It's a type of network topology where all computers are connected together in a circular fashion. As you can see now, this is a pattern that looks like the ring. The ring we'll put in our hand is a circular version of how we can arrange computers. And I believe when you see these 3 types of network topology, you can identify it in the lab. Alright, starting from star in the star shape. Start the second one, bus topology, a single cable connecting all the computers together. Then the third one, ring, arranged in a circular version. Now, the last thing today, friends, is things to consider when choosing a topology. Things to consider when choosing a topology. 1. Money. 2. Length of cable needed. And 3. Feature expansion. So let's quickly look at money. For example, if we look at the 3 diagrams that I showed, that is star, bus, and ring, you can agree with me that bus topology uses a laser cable. That's why we say bus topology is the least expensive, because it uses a single cable. Because by the time we look at the ring topology or the star topology, the cable they will use is more than what a bus, a single connection, will use. So another one is length of cable needed. That is, bus still uses shorter length of cable than the other one, like maybe ring or star. Then another thing to consider when we are choosing topology of a computer lab or cyber cafe, or anywhere computers are, is feature expansion. That is, how easy can we expand the network in future? That is, for example, if the room is small, you can go with star or bus topology. But if you are thinking of expanding the computers in the lab, we can go with ring topology. Even we can still use bus topology too, because it's a single cable, so we can easily expand it. It's only star that we cannot easily expand, because it has to follow this method or this arrangement. So friends, I believe from now, when you see the arrangement of computers in the lab, you can easily say this is this type of topology. And what do we mean by topology again? We can say is the arrangement of cables, computers, and other peripherals on the network. And friends, we have how many types of topology? We have 3: star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. And I believe you can still identify them by the way they are arranged, like star topology, as you can see in the picture, bus, single cable, ring in a ring shape. And the things we consider when we are choosing a topology are money, length of cable needed, and feature expansion. I believe you enjoyed the class. Thank you very much.